Alright guys, another unboxing, and this video is the unboxing of the U-Mic, and it is not so bad. I mean, it's I heard it has good reviews on it. For your iPhone, iPad, camera, you name it. It has your phone, everything. I'll leave the description and a link below where you can buy it. It's pretty inexpensive. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And, oh, look, in a prior video, the brush holder. And, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And remember that we're going to do a lot of stuff this year. Let's see, let's pull this out. Don't you like that? Look. The U-Mic! Oh, it's a little pop-up for you to put on the back of your phone. Oh. Talk about free advertisement, huh? Anyways, get your little card there. So you can download the user guide. It comes in a nice sealed pack, breathable hose. Let's open it up. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's see. Meanwhile, let's watch the dog. Baby, you're on YouTube, buddy. Say hi. I like the pouch. It's a good pouch. Look at that little pouch. Good little money pouch, little coin pouch. Even smells. Oh, it smells like, you know what it smells like? It smells like those things that you buy the kids you put on their arms and around their waist when they go swimming for the first time. That plasticky smell. Let's see. Oops. It's even got the little red. Sorry about the video. It's even got a little red mic. It's got a clip on it. That's good. Clip it to your. Ooh, it's a metal clip too. Look how hard it is. A little alligator clip. Look. Ugh. Boy, you really gotta push that thing. Oh, this is. I love these things right here. This little Velcro, strip of Velcro. They charge you insane prices for. And it basically just keeps your cord together. You have the adapter here, so that it goes into the smaller jacks and stuff. And yeah, it's just a U-Mic. So anyways, guys, that's exactly what this is. It goes to your phones, it goes to your iPads, sorry about that, your computers and everything else. It gives you a better sounding quality. You will probably hear this on a lot of my upcoming videos. Sorry about that foot shot. I'm just checking out where I dropped. But subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below, and if you want to know where you can get this, I'm going to leave it in the descriptions below. Later!